So how to find the diameter of the given wire? So just to keep the wire in between the two jaws and you tight it. Okay. Now you observe that what is the pitch scale reading. So the pitch scale shows only 0. So not a 1. Even the first division not able to see that. So the pitch scale reading. What is the pitch scale reading? This is a pitch scale reading, this reading. So this will shows only 0, not a 1 reading, not at all shows. So the answer is, what is the reading for pitch scale? This is 0. Okay. Then you have to observe one by one in the round scale, that is a head scale, the baseline exactly coincided. This is a baseline. Are you able to see this, students? So this is a baseline, not a vertical line, horizontal line. This baseline exactly coincided with 31. So the baseline exactly coincided with 31. I will write as a 31. Then what is that? Observed reading is equal to PSR is a 0 plus, then HSR is a 31 into least count is 0.01 mm. So the answer is 0.0. So 0 plus, so this is a 31, so 0.31. So what we will get? So this is 0.31 mm. So this is the first reading. So what is the zero correction? So the zero correction is plus or minus. Here we have to add only because the error is negative error. So 0.31 plus 0.03. So the answer is 0.34 mm. So that is the final value. So observed PSR value, HSR value, you substitute in the formula PSR plus HSR into least count. Then this is the observed reading. From the observed reading, what is the total reading? If it is a negative error, we have to add. If it is a positive error, we have to minus. Likewise, you have to take the wire, place the screw gauge in the different positions of the wire, find the reading for PSR and HSR. Observe tabulate the readings in this tabulation. Very clearly, the thickness is even only. All the PSR values will be same. Only the minute changes will comes in the HSR value. So the similar corresponding changes will come. Now I will explain to you if our screw gauge is in your examination. I will give screw gauge to you. In that time, your screw gauge has a positive error. If the zero error is positive error for 4 divisions, means what you have to do that? Zero correction is minus 0.04 mm, that is multiply with least count. So plus will become minus. Then what you have to do that? In this observed reading, you have to take this minus. Observed reading minus zero correction. Observed reading is 0.31 minus what is the zero correction? Here for the positive error for that particular screw gauge. So this screw gauge is separately different. I will give example. If the positive error comes, means how to do the calculation. So I will take the separate screw gauge. That screw gauge has a positive error of 4 division. So the zero correction is minus 0.4. So how to calculate the total reading? Observed reading minus 0.04. What is the answer? 0.4 means 0.27 mm. So this is the accurate value for that particular wire if the reading shows like this. So how to calculate the negative error and how to calculate the positive error, I will show to you. So these are all the things you have to keep in your mind while doing the experiment. I will take all the readings and the calculation parts. Then the mean value. If you take the mean value, that is the total diameter. If you take the mean value for all the 5 readings, so in this total reading, that is the diameter of this given wire. Dear students, now we are moving to the second table. Table 2 is, that is a table 1, this is a table 2 is to find the thickness of the sheet. That means cardboard. In our experiment, we are taking cardboard. The same tabulation. As I am using the previous same screw gauge, what is the positive error? That error is a positive 3 division and that is will be a minus not a positive 3 division, I forgot that this is a negative 3 division. So negative 3 division means negative 100 minus 97 division, that is minus 3 division. This will become plus 0.3 mm. So as it is the same screw gauge, I am using that. So now we are going to take the cardboard. So this is the cardboard. In this cardboard I will fit the screw gauge. So this is the screw gauge. Are you able to see this? So this in this cardboard I will fit the screw gauge. Okay, so I hope that you are able to see the picture clearly. So what is the pitch scale? Pitch scale shows 0, 1 clearly shows. The second 2 mm, the second mm does not show. So there will be a small gap. So are you able to see the clearly? So 1 mm is a pitch scale reading. Then what is that baseline coincident? Baseline exactly coincident with 65. There is a 60 and 70. That baseline is exactly coincident with 65. So pitch scale reading is 1 and the head scale reading is 65. So now I will write this in the tabulation. Pitch scale reading is 1 and the head scale reading is 65. So what is observed reading? 1 plus 65 into 0.01 mm. Then 1 plus 0.65 mm. So that will be 1.65 mm. So this is the observed reading. What is the total reading? Total reading is the observed reading plus or minus 0 correction. Here the correction is negative means error is negative means correction is positive. So 1.65 plus 0.03 mm. So 1.68 mm is a correct value. Millimeter is the correct value of this cardboard. Similarly, I will take the same cardboard and place in the different positions in the cardboard. This screw gauge is placed in the different positions of the cardboard. As by seeing this cardboard itself, we are able to come to the conclusion the thickness is uniform. Only this PSR, always this PSR will be a same value, but HSR value only different. Provided not in all the cases. If you are taking the irregular lamina, the PSR value will be different. So here in our experiment, we are taking a uniform thickness cardboard sheet. So this cardboard sheet thickness will be equal. Only the small changes in the HSR reading. I will take the reading and show it to you. So you copy that reading. So you know that how to take the reading. Very simple. Take the screw gauge. Join together. Okay, see the error. Error is a 0 error or positive error or negative error. Positive error means correction is negative. Negative error means correction is positive. What we are doing here. Then you have to observe, insert the object, which object we are going to find the thickness or diameter. Then you have to observe the baseline exactly coincident with that head scale. So the baseline, not a baseline for PSR, how much PSR reading is shown, it is visible, is called as a PSR reading. Then the baseline exactly coincident with the head scale is a HSR reading. By doing this calculation and substituting in the formula, we are able to find the thickness of the given sheet and also the diameter of the given wire.